নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল ষ্টাডি উইথ লিজা নামৰ এই চেনেলটোলৈ তোমালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি শংকৰদেৱ শিশু বিদ্যা নিকেতনৰ ক্লাছ 8ৰ দ্য মহাত্মা এজ স্কুল মাষ্টাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰখিনি কৰিম। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো আছে, হোৱাট ৱেৰ দ্য প্ৰভিজনছ মেড ফৰ এডুকেটিং দ্য চিলড্ৰেন এট টলষ্টয় ফাৰ্ম ইন চাউথ আফ্ৰিকা? As the Tolstoy farm grew, it was found necessary to make some provisions for education of its children. Firstly, Gandhiji had always given the first place to the building of character. At the same time, arrangements were made to impart literary and physical training. But it was not possible, and also he did not want to import teachers from outside for the children. So, তোমালোকে ইয়াত দেখিছা নহয়, আউটসাইড ফৰ ইয়াৰ পাছত লিখিবা দ্য চিলড্ৰেনটো লিখি পিনে ফুল ষ্টপ দিবা। So, provisions were made to meet the need of teachers from within. Gandhiji did not believe in the existing system of education, and he only believed in to find out by experience and experiment the true system. Therefore, he decided to take the responsibility for training the children with the help of Mr. Kallenbach and Pragji Desai. Second to Swa, describe in detail the work done by the children at Tolstoy farm. How did physical labor help them? The children of the Tolstoy farm had to do a lot of work because there were no servants on the farm. All the work from cooking down to scavenging was done by the inmates. There were many fruit trees to be looked after and enough gardening to be done as well. They dug pits, felled timber and lifted loads. Those who were not engaged in the kitchen, they had to give some time to gardening. These activities gave them ample physical exercise. They took delight in the work, and so they did not generally need any other exercise or games. In this way, these exercises built their physiques. Physiques, physics. And there were no any illness on the farm because of the help of physical labor. এতিয়া আমি আমাৰ থাৰ্ড কুৱেশ্যনটোলৈ যাওঁ। How was literary training conducted by Gandhi? Gandhiji fully appreciated the necessity of literary training, but he found it difficult matter to bestow literary training to the children of the Tolstoy farm. He did not have the resources nor the literary equipment for the matter, and it was difficult to get some time. SOME. এইকেইটা বেলেগকৈ লিখিবা, দুটা word, some time. From the busy daily routine. So classes for literary training had to be kept after midday meal. They gave 3 periods to literary training. Hindi, Tamil, Gujarati and Urdu were taught. Tuition was given through the vernaculars of the voice, and English was taught as well. Gujarati Hindi children were taught a little Sanskrit, elementary history, geography and arithmetic also. Describe the relationship of Gandhi with his students. Gandhiji was very fond of children. He believed that the true education could be imparted only by the parents. Therefore, he played a role of the father and decided to take the responsibility for training to the children of the Tolstoy farm. He was confident that moral training could be given to all alike, no matter how different their ages and their upbringing. So he decided to live amongst them all the 24 hours of the day as their father. In Tolstoy farm, the children had to do a lot of physical labor. So some inmates and sometimes all of them malingered and striked. Often he was strict with them, but they never resisted. He never lost his children's love and respect. So our fifth question to hoise, what are Gandhi's views on the education of children? According to Gandhiji, under ideal conditions, a true education could be imparted only by the parents. He had always felt that the true textbooks for the pupil is his teacher. He did not find it at all necessary to load the children with quantities of books. এই children আৰু withৰ মাজত অলপ gap দিবা, ইয়াত children with quantities of books, full stop. Children take in much more and with less lever through their ears than through their eyes. Therefore, he always taught them in his own language. According to him, it was laborious for the children to remember what they learned from books, but what he imparted to them by word of mouth, they could repeat with the greatest ease. He also said that reading was a task for them, but listening to him was a pleasure. His children get never bored by him because he always tried to make the subject interesting. 6 number 2 ase, who was fond of gardening? Mr. Columbus was fond of gardening. Our last question to ase, for which purpose Mr. Columbus went to Trappist Monastery? What did he learn there? Mr. Columbus went to Trappist Monastery to take vocational training. He learned shoemaking there. So ekhini asil the Mahatma as a school master question answer. তোমালোকে যদি answer খিনি ভালকে বুজি পোৱা নাই, যদি স্পেলিং খিনি ভালদৰে ধৰিব পৰা নাই, তেন্তে তোমালোকে মোক কমেন্ট বক্সত সুধিব পাৰা, মই তোমালোকক কম। আৰু যদি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালা তেন্তে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ কমেন্ট কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা। আৰু যদি তোমালোক মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ নতুনকৈ আহিছা তেন্তে মোৰ চেনেলটোত ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা আৰু কাষতে থকা বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি দিবা। আজিলৈ সামৰিছোঁ, নমস্কাৰ।